Hello and welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. I got something really cool in the mail today that I want to show everybody from JRO Lights. Before I show you what's in the box, I'll show you what else he sent with it. See if I can get it out without wrecking it. A nice little card with his logo on it. It says, "You are now the owner of a JRO Lights Zippo Lighter. Whether you use this lighter for what it was intended for or display it proudly in a display case, the intent of JRO Lights is to introduce and inform collectors or anyone interested into the world of Zippo collecting. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to JRO Lights on YouTube. Email jrolights at jrolights@gmail.com for suggestions or inquiries. And that is also how you contact him to see about getting one of these cool lighters." He sent his card, which I think is really cool. It says, "Terry, one YouTuber to another. Thank you. Keep up the videos." Signed by John himself. As you can see, he signed the back of the box. It's a number 218 JRO Lights. And as you can see, it is a very, very nice looking lighter. I like it a lot. When I saw it, I knew I had to order one and get one for myself for my collection. Thought it was really cool. What I'm going to do, like I do with all my lighters, take the sticker off so it doesn't cause any kind of damage in the future. I put it in the back of the box top and put the warranty guarantee in there so you can see it. It is an H22, which is August 2022. Nice click sound on there. Very nice. It has a matching insert, H22. I have to take the flint out because I don't want that causing problems in the future. There we go. We'll just dump that out right up there for now. Put the spring back in. Put the insert back in a nice case here. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but I think this is a really sharp looking lighter. His logo looks really great on the black mat. So does the writing JRO Lights. I think it is a sweet looking lighter. And thank you, John, for hooking me up with one. It is really cool. He's selling them on his site that you can go to through the email and contact him. He only wants $35, and that's shipped within the continental United States. It is really cool that he autographed the back of the box. I think that's kind of cool. And I hope you like what you see. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you get a chance and you're able, definitely order one of these great lighters from JRO Lights. Thank you. Have a good day.